we talked about, yes, good afternoon everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Everybody. Yes, yes.
Good afternoon.
So today we are going to go for a grammar training this is the afternoon class, so where we are going to study the grammar training. Now I'm going to have a quick revision of the first lesson of the grammar, and then today we are going to start the second lesson of the grammar. All right, so I'm just going to share you. So in the first lesson we talked about article the. पहिल्या लेसन मध्ये आपण आर्टिकल द विषयी बोललेलो आहे. राईट, पहिल्या लेसन मध्ये आपण आर्टिकल द चा वापर कसा करायचा हे पाहिलेलं आहे. राईट, and now we are going to work on article the. So there are two articles in English. The first is definite article the, and second is indefinite article a or an. Monica, you can turn on your video. So definite article is used to if somebody wants in explanation in Marathi, you can ask me. All right, you can ask me, because whatever I understand, everybody understands well. Only the problem is the fluency. Am I right? विजय, तुम्हाला कधी मराठीमध्ये एक्सप्लेनेशन पाहिजे असेल तर मला लगेच सांगायचं, सर आय नीड द मराठी एक्सप्लेनेशन. ऑलराइट?
हो सर, ठीक आहे.
Okay, so there are two types of the articles in English. One is definite article the, and second is indefinite article a or an. So where we use definite article the, we use definite article the to make things, persons or places particular. So whatever you want to make the particular, then we have to use the article. Okay, so this was the first rule. And I told you one more thing, that we use the article before the common nouns only. We do not use the article before the proper nouns. Like, as I told you, like there are many proper nouns, like Narendra Modi is a proper noun, so we cannot use the Narendra Modi. But Prime Minister is a common noun, we can use the Prime Minister. Understand? Second, with the singular only, we can use the article with singular also and with plural also. It means you can say the book also and the books also. Understand? Third, you can use the article with the countable nouns also and uncountable nouns also. You can say the book also, the books also, and the knowledge also. Okay, you cannot use a or an with uncountable words, but you can use the article with countable words. All right, so we have talked about article the. That was the first rule, that we have to use the article only before the common nouns, only before the you can use the common nouns with the singular common nouns also and plural common nouns also. You can use the with the countable nouns also and uncountable nouns also. Thirdly, if you want to make things, places and persons particular, then we use the article. Okay, Pallavi, repeat after me. Open the door. Everybody is repeating after me. Pallavi, if I say we can't hear you. Pallavi. Yeah. Open the door. I think no, we are not able to hear you. Yeah, Nandini, repeat after me. Open the door.
Open the door.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Ask the question.
Ask the question.
Answer the question.
Answer the question.
Repeat after me. Monica, Shipra, Vijay, repeat after me. In mute status, repeat after me. Open the door.
Open the door.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Ask the question.
Ask the question.
Answer the question.
Answer the question.
Turn on the fan.
Turn on the fan.
Turn off the fan.
Turn off the fan.
Pallavi, I think your sound has got some issues. Okay, fine. And second rule I'm going to tell you, if the next rule I'm going to explain you, if the first sentence has a common noun, and that same common noun is repeated in the next sentence, then we use the article with the next sentence. All right, just repeat after me. Okay, Monica ji, repeat after me. I ate a mango.
I ate.
The mango was tasty.
The mango was tasty.
I asked a question.
I asked a question.
The question was difficult.
The question was difficult.
He watched a movie.
He watched a movie.
The movie was interesting.
The movie was interesting.
Okay, in this way. Now, with universal truth, we always use the article. We always use the article with universal truth. All right. Like the sun, the moon, and the earth. Shipraji, repeat after me. The sun rises in the east.
The sun rises in the east.
The moon sets in the east.
The moon sets in the east.
The earth moves around the sun.
The earth moves around the sun.
Got it? Okay. Now, Vijay Gaikwadji. Whenever you want to talk about some expressions like, middle of the, top of the, then we usually use the article. All right. Just repeat after me. This is the middle of the floor.
This is the middle of the floor.
This is the front of the table.
This is the front of the table.
Pallavi, बोलायचंय तुम्हाला. Okay, this is the front of the table.
This is the front of the table.
This is the back of the door.
This is the back of the door.
This is the edge of the house.
This is the edge of the house.
This is the corner of the hospital.
This is the corner of the hospital.
This is the side of the table.
This is the side of the table.
This is the top of the building.
This is the top of the table building.
Okay, Pallavi. Yeah, unmute yourself. Okay, now we are going. Now the next is what? The next rule is about whenever you want to describe the common noun, then we use the article. All right. This is the, just repeat after me, Pallavi. This is the beginning I expected. I think rejoin. Leave the meeting and rejoin it. So your sound will be audible for us. Okay, Nandini ji, repeat after me. This is the beginning I expected.
This is a beginning I accepted.
This is the woman I met in the market.
This is a woman I met in the market.
This is the child who got the gold medal.
This is a child who
Got the gold medal.
got the gold medal.
Got it? In this way, we can describe the article. And one more way to describe the article is whenever you want to talk about commands, requests, or orders, then we use the article. All right, just repeat after me, Nandini ji. Turn on the fan.
Turn on the fan.
Turn off the switches.
Turn off the switches.
Repair the computer.
Repair the computer.
Buy the oven.
Buy the oven.
Sell the radio.
Sell the radio.
Install the television set.
Install the television set.
Give the watch.
Give the watch.
Take the washing machine.
Take the washing machine.
Maintain the printer.
Maintain the printer.
Order the mobile.
Order the mobile.
Place the order.
Place the order.
Get the discount.
Sorry.
Get the discount.
Get the discount.
Got it? In this way,
Yes.
we can use the article in many ways. In many ways, we can use the article. All right. Pallavi,
Yes.
turn on your
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, and turn on your video.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'm happy that you are audible now. Yeah, because it feels like we are in the class, Am I right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. So now today's our lesson is lesson number 2, article a or an. So today we are going to learn the lesson number 2, that is article a or an. So where do we use a or where do we use an? We talked about the article. We use the article to talk about the definite things, definite places, definite persons. But we used a or an article to talk about indefinite persons, indefinite people, indefinite means which we don't know more. Any, like the student, it means particular student. The student, it means particular student. And a student, it means any student, any. But we don't know any particular student, any student. The teacher, it means particular teacher. And any teacher, it means any teacher, common teacher. We don't know about that teacher. Understand? The book, it means particular book. And any book, it means we don't know about that book. So in this way, we are using the article and a or an article. Now our main concern is where to use a article and where to use an article. Now our main concern is where to use a article and where to use an article. So where to use a article and where to use an article? An is used with the vowel sounds. An is used with the vowel sound. So there are two types of the sounds. One is a vowel sound and one is a consonant sound. Vowel sound, it means like there are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So what are the sounds of A, E, I, O, U? Just Pallavi, repeat after me. Pallavi, repeat after me. A says A.
A says A.
E says A.
E says A.
I says E.
I says E.
O says O.
O says O.
U says A.
U says O.
Okay, these are the sounds. These are the sounds. So if you find these sounds at the beginning of the common noun, if you find these sounds at the beginning of the common noun, then we are going to use an article. Then we are going to use an article. Okay, विषय समजतंय? हे जे 5 स्वर आहेत, ए, ई, आय, ओ, यू, ह्या 5 स्वरांचे 5 उच्चारण आहेत. कोणकोणते 5 उच्चारण आहेत? ए सेज ए, ई सेज ए, आय सेज ई, ओ सेज अ आणि यू सेज अ. हे जर उच्चारण तुम्हाला कुठे दिसले, तर कुठे म्हणजे तुम्हाला जर सामान्य नामाच्या पहिला आढळले, तर तुम्हाला काय वापरायचं आहे? an आर्टिकल वापरायचं आहे. ओके, जसं इंजिनियर आहे. इन इंजिनियर व्हॉट इज द फर्स्ट साऊंड? द फर्स्ट साऊंड इज ई. Okay, I would like to describe again one more. A, E, I, O, U. A says A, E says A, I says E, O says O, and U says A. But the confusion is in here. Confusion is in U. U says A. But U has 2 sounds. U has 2 sounds. One sound is a vowel sound and one sound is a consonant sound. विजय, फार महत्वाचा प्रश्न आहे हा, फार महत्वाचा एक्सप्लेनेशन है. यू चे ना 2 साउंड असतात. यू के, हाँ हिंदी में बताता हूँ शिप्रा जी के लिए. हिंदी देखो, यू के 2 साउंड्स रहते हैं. एक यू सेज अ भी होता है और यू सेज य भी होता है. यदि यू सेज अ आता है तो आपको एन लगाना है, जैसे अंपायर, अम्ब्रेला. ओके, अंपायर, अम्ब्रेला, अंकल. सो यहाँ क्या लगाना है? आपको एंड लगाना है, क्योंकि यू सेज अ है. वो अम्ब्रेला में अ आता है, अंकल में अ आता है, अंपायर में अ आता है, तो उधर क्या लगाना है? आपको एंड लगाना है. एन अम्ब्रेला, एन अंकल, एन अंपायर. अंडरस्टैंड? लेकिन अब दूसरा उच्चारण क्या होता है? यू का यू सेज य भी होता है. यू सेज य भी होता है. तो यू सेज य होगा तो आपको क्या लगाना है? अ लगाना है, क्योंकि ये क्या है? ये वॉवेल है क्या? नहीं है. ये क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट है, व्यंजन है. तो आपको क्या लगाना है? अ लगाना है. जैसे यूनिवर्सिटी, अ यूनिवर्सिटी. ओके, यूनिट, अ यूनिट, क्योंकि य सेज य है, वहां यू सेज य है. ऑलराइट, जस्ट पल्लवी रिपीट आफ्टर मी. इंजीनियर, एन इंजीनियर.
An engineer.
ओके, इंजीनियर, एन इंजीनियर.
Engineer. An engineer.
एलिफेंट, एन एलिफेंट.
Elephant. An elephant.
एक्टर, एन एक्टर.
Actor. An actor.
यूनिवर्सिटी, अ यूनिवर्सिटी.
University. A university.
अंपायर, एन अंपायर.
Umpire. An umpire.
दोनों भी. एक यू का उच्चारण यह है, वो कॉन्सोनेंट है, इसलिए अ यूनिवर्सिटी हो गया. अंपायर का उच्चारण अ है, वो वावेल है, इसलिए उसका एन हो गया. ऑलराइट, यूनिवर्सिटी, अ यूनिवर्सिटी.
University. A university.
अंपायर, एन अंपायर.
Umpire. An umpire.
यूनिट, अ यूनिट.
Unit. A unit.
अम्ब्रेला, एन अम्ब्रेला.
Umbrella. An umbrella.
हाउस, अ हाउस.
House. A house.
आवर, एन आवर.
Hour. An hour.
मैंगो, अ मैंगो.
Mango. A mango.
एमएलए, एन एमएलए.
MLA. An MLA.
अब तो एमएलए में ए आ गया ना, इसलिए एन एमएलए हो गया. ऑलराइट. अब टेबल, अ टेबल.
Table. A table.
पेन, अ पेन.
Pen. A pen.
यूनिवर्सिटी, अ यूनिवर्सिटी.
University. A university.
ऑलराइट, I think
Yes.
everybody understood it. सर्वांना समजलेला आहे. Now I am going to take your test. I am going to ask everybody around 10 words and you are going to add a or an. You are going to add a or an. Okay. Pallavi, repeat. Just add a or an. Teacher.
A teacher.
Accountant.
An accountant.
Okay, electrician,
An electrician.
businessman.
A businessman.
Okay, grocer,
A grocer.
umpire,
An umpire.
receptionist.
A receptionist.
Okay, actor,
An actor.
banker,
A banker.
exporter.
A exporter.
A is there. A, exporter,
A exporter.
an exporter.
An
Exporter
exporter.
is
Sorry,
an
sir.
exporter. Okay, Vijay. Doctor, Vijay.
doc-
A doctor. Okay, player. Okay.
a player,
Okay, author,
an author,
correct. Postman,
a post,
professor,
a professor,
doctor,
a doctor,
librarian,
a librarian,
एक्ट्रेस. सभी को बनाना है, सिर्फ सुनना नहीं है, बनाना है. ए और एंड लगाना है इसको. आप
an
दिस
actress,
इज नॉट अ लिसनिंग क्लास. नंदिनी जी, मोनिका, शिप्रा, पल्लवी, सिर्फ सुनना नहीं है, बना उसको ऐड करना है ए और एन. ओके, डॉक्टर.
an actress,
ओके, एंटरटेनर,
an entertainer,
पेंटर.
a painter,
वेरी गुड. शिप्रा जी नाउ, शिप्रा जी. पुलिसमैन,
A policeman.
पायलट.
A pilot.
ओके, एम्प्लॉयर,
An employer.
वर्कर,
A worker.
एजुकेटर,
An educator.
टेलर,
A tailor.
एडिटर,
An editor.
प्यून,
A peon.
एग्जीक्यूटिव,
An executive.
मेड.
A maid.
वेरी गुड. नंदिनी जी, आर्किटेक्ट,
Architect. Oh, architect.
नो ए इज देयर.
An architect.
ओके, एक्ट्रेस,
Oh, actress.
ओ इज देयर. एक्ट्रेस,
Okay, an
आई
actress.
ओ यू, ये आ गए तो आपको लगाना है. एक्ट्रेस.
An actress.
ओके, स्टूडेंट,
Oh, student.
इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट.
An industrialist.
ओके, करेक्ट. एनिमेटर,
An animator.
नर्स,
Oh, nurse.
एग्जामिनर,
An examiner.
लेक्चरर.
An lecturer.
ल इज देयर, नॉट ए
Oh.
आई ओ यू. ओके,
Oh.
लेक्चरर.
Oh, lecturer.
फिशरमैन,
And fisherman.
फ इज देयर, नॉट ए आई ओ यू. नंदिनी, there is no
Okay.
a I O U. Fisherman.
Can I get repeat, sir? I can't
Yeah,
understand.
yeah. Don't worry.
Yes.
Fisherman.
Oh, fisherman.
Okay. Operator.
Oh, operator.
Okay. I will explain you. Don't worry. All right.
Yes.
Monica ji, answer me. Officer.
Officer.
O is there. Officer.
An officer.
Okay. Worker.
A worker.
Manager.
A manager.
Okay. Owner.
An owner.
Okay. Economist.
An economist.
Okay. Potter.
A potter.
Entrepreneur.
An entrepreneur.
Okay. Bookkeeper.
A bookkeeper.
Drummer.
A drummer.
Optician.
An optician.
An optician. Got it?
Mm.
So in this way, we talked about a or an article. I'll just explain you again with the help of whiteboard. So it will be easy for Nandini. Okay, Nandini. So there are, we use an article with vowel sounds. All right, we use an article with a or an. A or an. All right. So if you know where to use an, then apart from those words, everywhere you can use an article, a article. Understand? So an article is used with vowels. Okay, vowels. So there are 5 vowels. One is a, then e, then I, then o, and then u. These are the 5 vowels. Okay, a, A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. Okay. So these are the five vowels. All right. Now see, A says like ant. So an ant. You have to use an article, an ant. Okay. Like E is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Then you have to use an elephant. All right. Then I says sorry. Okay. So A, just a minute. Sometimes
आय पासून इंक होईल का सर? इंक
हो, इंकचं पण होतं ना, इंक बॉक्स वगैरह सगळे है ना. ओके. Vowels, you know, we have to use and with the vowels. All right. So how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, and U. Got it. Like A says like ant, then an ant, elephant. Okay, an elephant. Then ink box, an ink box. Officer. Okay, an officer. Okay, umpire, an umpire. Got it?
सर
Okay.
सर ए सगळ्यांसोबत वापरायचं ए
हा
ए
हा ए हे याला सोडून AEIOU सोडून जे उच्चारण असतील त्यांच्यासोबत ए वापरायचं.
हो.
Okay, got it? All right, fine. So just repeat after me. Nandini ji, now answer
Yes,
me
sir.
again. Okay, I will
Yes.
take your test again.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I will take everybody's test again because for the confidence, you know, for the confidence,
Yes.
I will take test again. Nandini ji, teacher,
A teacher,
accountant,
an accountant,
electrician,
an electrician,
businessman,
a businessman,
grocer,
a grocer,
umpire,
an umpire,
receptionist,
a receptionist,
actor,
a actor,
actor.
an actor, sorry,
Okay,
an
okay.
actor,
Yeah, banker,
a banker,
exporter,
an exporter,
Very good. Shipraji now. Shipraji. Doctor, quick.
A doctor.
Player,
A player.
author,
An author.
postman,
A postman.
professor,
A professor.
doctor,
A doctor.
librarian,
Sorry, sir?
librarian.
A librarian.
Okay, actress,
An actress.
entertainer,
An entertainer.
painter.
A painter.
Okay, Pallavi. Policeman,
A policeman.
pilot,
A pilot.
employer,
An employer.
worker.
A worker.
Okay, educator,
An educator.
tailor,
A tailor.
editor,
An editor.
peon,
A peon.
executive,
An executive.
maid.
A maid.
Very good. Vijay. Architect,
an architect,
actress,
an actress,
student,
a student,
industrialist,
an industrialist,
animator.
an animator,
Correct. Nurse,
a nurse,
examiner,
an examiner,
lecturer,
a lecturer,
fisherman,
a fisherman,
operator,
an operator,
officer,
an officer,
worker,
a worker,
manager,
a manager,
owner,
an owner,
economist,
an economist,
potter,
a potter,
entrepreneur,
an entrepreneur,
bookkeeper,
a bookkeeper,
drummer,
a drummer,
optician.
an optician,
Monica ji, are you there? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Teacher,
A teacher.
accountant,
Important. An important.
electrician,
An electrician.
businessman,
A businessman.
grocer,
A grocer.
umpire,
An umpire.
receptionist,
A receptionist.
actor,
An actor.
banker,
A banker.
exporter.
An exporter.
Okay, okay. Got it? Now we are going to work on the next structure. Okay. Next structure is about the article, a or an article. So I told you these rules. Like we use a or an article only in the singulars. We do not use a or an article in plurals. Second, we use a or an article only before the common nouns. सामान्य नामापूर्वीच वापरतो आपण, विशेष नामापूर्वी वापरत नाही. एक वचनामध्येच वापरतो, अनेक वचनामध्ये वापरत नाही. अँड द्रव्यवाचक आणि भाववाचक शब्दापूर्वी कधीही ए चा वापर करत नाहीत. इट मीन्स अनकाउंटेबल वर्ड्स which cannot be counted on the fingers. They are called uncountable words. Like money, you cannot count money. 1 money, 2 money, 3 money, 1 sugar, 2 sugar, 3 sugar, 1 gold, 2 gold, 3 gold. So those all are the uncountable words. So with uncountable words, we do not use a or an article. We can use the article, but we cannot use the a or an article. Okay. Now just repeat after me. Pallavi, repeat after me. This is a bingo game.
This is a bingo game.
That is a bingo game.
That is a bingo game.
There is a bingo game.
There is a bingo game.
Here is a bingo game.
Here is a bingo game.
This isn't a bingo game.
This isn't a bingo game.
That isn't a bingo game.
That isn't a bingo game.
There isn't a bingo game.
That there isn't a bingo game.
Here isn't a bingo game.
Here isn't a bingo game.
Now make sentences. This is an idiot box. Now start.
This is an
So you know the
idiot.
meaning. This, that, there, here. Vijay, एकदा meaning सांगू का? Meaning सांगू का?
हो सांग.
This is
हो.
a bingo game म्हणजे हा bingo game आहे. That is a bingo game म्हणजे तो bingo game आहे. There is a bingo game म्हणजे तिथे bingo game आहे. Here is a bingo game म्हणजे इथे bingo game आहे. This isn't a bingo game म्हणजे हा bingo game नाही. That isn't a bingo game म्हणजे तो bingo game नाही. There isn't a bingo game म्हणजे तिथे bingo game नाही. Here isn't a bingo game म्हणजे इथे bingo game नाही. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, start. Make the sentences. Pallavi, this is
Uh-huh.
an idiot box.
This is an idiot box. That is an idiot box. There is an idiot box. Here is an idiot box. This isn't an idiot box. That isn't an idiot box. There isn't an idiot box. Here isn't an idiot box.
Very good, very good. Shipraji, make the sentences quick. This is a good job.
This is a good job. That is a good job. There is a good job. Here is a good job. This is not a good job. That is not a good job. There is not a good job. Here is not a good job.
Yeah, make more. This is a rotten plum. Start.
This is the rotten plum. That is the rotten plum. There is a rotten plum. Here is a rotten plum. That is not a rotten plum. That is not a rotten plum. There is not a rotten plum. Here is not a rotten plum.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Now next. Nandini ji, this is a used fork.
This is a,
Used fork. Next.
okay, yes, sir. This is a used fork. Fork, na, sir.
Fork. Correct.
This is a used fork. That is a used fork. There is a used fork. Here is a used fork. This is not used fork. That is not used fork. There is not used fork. Here is not used fork.
This is an uncle.
This is a uncle.
And
That is-
uncle is there. Uncle, you is there. You know. This is an
Yes, sir.
uncle.
This an uncle, na?
This is an uncle.
Okay. This is an uncle. That is an uncle. There is an uncle. Here is an uncle. This is not an uncle. That is not an uncle. There is not an uncle. Here is not an uncle.
Correct, correct. Very good. This is a historian.
This is
A
This
historian.
is-
Everybody is making the sentences. फक्त
Okay.
ऐकायचं नाहीये. This is a historian. Huh.
this is a historian. That is a historian. There is a historian. Here is a historian. This is not a historian. That is not a historian. There is not a historian. Here is not a historian.
Okay, Pallavi. This is an apple.
This is an apple. That is an apple. There is an apple. Here is an apple. This isn't an apple. That isn't an apple. There isn't an apple. There isn't an apple.
Okay, very good. This is a horrible movie.
This is a horrible movie. That is a horrible movie. There is a horrible movie. Here is a horrible movie. This isn't a horrible movie. That isn't a horrible movie. There isn't a horrible movie. Here isn't a horrible movie.
Okay, this is an opera.
This is an opera. That is an opera. There is an opera. Here is an opera. This isn't an opera. That isn't an opera. There isn't an opera. Here isn't an opera.
Very good. Good job. Vijay. Vijay. This is a fine opera. This is a fine opera.
This is a fine opera. That is a fine opera. There is a fine opera. Here is a fine opera. This isn't a fine opera. That isn't a fine opera. That isn't a fine opera. There isn't a fine opera. Here isn't a fine opera.
This is a television.
This is a television. That is a television. There is a television. Here is a television. This isn't a television. That isn't a television. There isn't a television. Here isn't a television.
Very good. This is an earthquake.
This is an earthquake. That is an earthquake. There is an earthquake. Here is an earthquake. This isn't an earthquake. That isn't an earthquake. There isn't an earthquake. Here isn't an earthquake.
Very good. Monica ji, this is a television. Sorry, this is a plant. This is a plant.
This is a plant. That is a plant. There is a plant. Here is a plant. This
isn't a plant.
isn't a plant. That isn't a plant. There isn't a plant. Here isn't a plant.
Very good. Very good. Good job. This is an honorable man.
This is an
Honorable
opera
man.
an opera man. That is an opera man.
Opera not.
There.
Honorable man. This is an honorable man.
Okay. This is an honorable man. That is an honorable man. There is an honorable man. Here is an honorable man. This isn't an honorable man. That isn't an honorable man. There isn't an honorable man. Here isn't an honorable man.
Shipraji Buli. This isn't an intelligent boy. Okay, fine. All right. So in this way, we talked about this, that, these, that, and there and here. We talked about these pronouns also. Now I'll just explain you how to ask and answer the questions in these pronouns. Okay, in these pronouns. All right. This, that, and here and there. Okay, this, that, and here and there. All right. Okay. Now this, just repeat after me. Is this a garden? Or is
Is this
mobile?
a garden?
Is this a mobile? Okay. Then what will be the
Is
answer?
this a mobile?
Yes, this is a mobile.
Yes,
Okay.
this is a mobile.
And no, this is not a mobile.
No,
No,
this is
this
not
is
a mobile.
this is not a mobile. Got it? So this is the answer. Now next is that a mobile? Yes, yes, that is a mobile. No, that is not a mobile. Got it? Now here and there, is there a mobile? Is there a mobile? Yes, there is a mobile. No, there is not a mobile. Okay. Is here a mobile? Is here a mobile? Yes. Yes, here is a mobile. Okay. No, here is not a mobile. Got it?
Yes,
All right. Understood, everybody?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now answer me. Pallavi, answer me. Is this a mobile?
Yes, this is a mobile.
Answering in yes and no. Is this a mobile? And quick. It is simple. So answer me quick. Is this a mobile?
Yes, this is a mobile. No, this is not a mobile.
Is that a mobile? Faster,
Yes.
because it is simple,
Yes.
you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, that is a mobile. No, that is not a mobile.
Is there a mobile?
Yes, there is a mobile. No, there is not a mobile.
Is here a mobile?
Yes, here is a mobile. No, here is not a mobile.
Is this an umbrella?
Yes, this is an umbrella. No, this is not an umbrella.
Is that an umbrella?
Yes, that is an umbrella. No, that is not an umbrella.
Is there an umbrella?
Yes, there is an umbrella. No, there is not an umbrella.
Is here an umbrella?
Yes, here is an umbrella. No, here is not an umbrella.
Okay, now you are going to ask questions to Nandini. Okay, Nandini. All right, Nandini will answer. Pallavi will ask questions and Nandini will answer. Is this a cricket match? Now start.
Is this a cricket match?
Yes, this is a cricket match. No, this is not a cricket match.
Is that a cricket match?
Yes, that is a cricket match. No, that is not a cricket match.
Here is there a cricket match?
Yes, there is a cricket match. No, there is not a cricket match.
Is here cricket match?
Yes, here is a cricket match. No, here is not a cricket match.
Okay, very good. Now Nandini, you are going to ask questions to Vijay. Is this an office?
Is this an office?
Yes, this is an office. No, this is an no, this is not an office.
Correct.
Is that an office, no sir?
Is that an office?
Is that an office?
Yes, that is an office. No, that is not an office.
Is there an office?
Yes, there is an office. No, there is not an office.
Is there an office here?
Yes, here is an office. No, here is not an office.
Okay, one more time. Is this a university?
Is this an university?
And not a university, because ये उच्चारण है ना त्यामुळे. Is
Okay.
this a university? हाँ विचार.
Is this a university?
Yes, this is a university. No, this is not a university.
Is that a university?
Yes, that is a university. No, that is not a university.
Is there a university?
Yes, there is a university. No, there is not a university.
Is here a university?
Yes, here is a university. No, here is not a university.
Okay, now you are going to ask questions to Shipraji. Vijay, is this a laptop?
Is this a laptop?
Yes, this is a laptop. No, this is not a laptop.
Is that a laptop?
Yes, that is a laptop. No, that is not a laptop.
Is there a laptop?
Yes, there is a laptop. No, there is not a laptop.
Is here a laptop?
Yes, here is a laptop. Here is not. No, here is not a laptop.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now, Shipraji, you are going to ask questions to Monica. Is this a dictionary?
Okay. Is this a dictionary?
Yes, this is a dictionary. No, this is not a dictionary.
Is that a dictionary?
That is read it again.
Is that a dictionary?
Yes, that is a dictionary. No, that is not a dictionary.
Is there is a dictionary? Is there a dictionary?
Yes, there is. Yes, there is a dictionary. No, there is not a dictionary.
Is here a dictionary?
Yes, here is a dictionary. No, here is not a dictionary.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Monica ji, you are going to ask questions to Vijay. Is this a village?
Is this a village?
Yes, this is village. No, this is not.
Ask the next questions, Monica. Is that a village?
Is that a village?
Yes, that is a village. No, that is not a village.
Is there a village?
Yes, there is a village. No, there is not a village.
Is here a village?
Yes, there is a village. No, here is not a village.
Very good. Very good. Got it? Okay. In this way, we talked about second lesson. Tomorrow, there will be a holiday on Saturday, Sunday. Our regular batches will be on Monday to Friday. All right. And you are going to attend in evening batch. At what time? 8:30, right? 8:30 is a speaking batch. You have to join that speaking batch at 8:30. All right. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?